Back on our home screen, the next option we have here is to report incident. Report incident allows users to narrow down more on the issue that they're experiencing. You can have up to 12 different incident types here that can be related to assault, an HR issue, lost or stolen property, or any other issue. Similar to the Report Suspicious Activity option, we have the ability to submit media files and enter the incident information here. The incident information is geotagged with the location of where this is submitted from, and the user info is submitted unless the user chooses to send anonymously. The user receives a confirmation that the tip has been submitted, and has the option here to chat with security with additional information or navigate back to the home screen.